Hey folks, so is Nvda about to take a step back? I believe so. I don't think it's gonna be today, but definitely on the 26th. And you can see we have today a direction change and a panic cycle on Monday. Something is brewing over the weekend. I don't know what, but I noticed in many markets 26th, it's an important day, so let me know if you see it as well. You can see the monthly we had turning point. So if you have any profits, I would recommend it. Maybe take them out. But again, this channel is not for advice or any trading opinions, are merely just opinions. So I'll make a detailed view why I think this has happened, but post it for my private subscription.